MichaelAngelo Interior Remodeling has been serving the East Stroudsburg area and neighboring suburbs of Pennsylvania for many years. Our high-quality materials, superior service, and incredible workmanship bring value to all of our remodeling and renovation projects. We also provide restaurant maintenance. Check out some of our before and after photos. The qualified craftsmen at MichaelAngelo work to the highest standards of integrity so that our clients can be confident that they are getting exceptional and cost-effective services that will exceed their expectations. The team at MichaelAngelo's takes pride knowing that every day we are providing attractive and functional living spaces that our clients can truly call home. So don't get bogged down with a vendor for plumbing and electric and woodwork. Just call MichaelAngelo and let us do it all. Give us a call. Let's talk about your dreams. We're fully licensed, insured, and registered. MichaelAngelo Interior Remodeling. You won't be disappointed. Quality craftsmanship at its best.